Want to make your mobile aesthetic and productive? Watch this. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl. Today's video is how you can make your mobile aesthetic and productive like this. The meaning for the word aesthetic differs from person to person. It is very subjective. This is just as per by my liking and my preferences and my aesthetic. You can customize it according to your own aesthetic. With that note, let's get into the video. Okay, first let's see how you can make your mobile aesthetic, and then I will share with you guys how you can make your mobile productive. So this is how my home screen looks like. As per my liking and preference, I find it really aesthetic and pretty. It is productive to me. Like ever since I made these changes, I feel so productive and inspired. Like I have different pages that denotes different things. Like I have a page for YouTube, I have a page for fun and learning things. So let's see how you can make your Android mobile aesthetic and productive like this. So first, coming to the wallpaper. A wallpaper with a quote may not be the best option because you're going to add widgets, apps and everything. It may not be clearly visible if we have a wallpaper with a quote. What you can do is that you can have a solid background like me. So I went with this solid pink background. I really like it. You can have it in any color. So now we have a solid wallpaper. Let's see how we can add our widgets. So first, long press your home screen and you can see all the widgets that you can add. We have options like large widgets, medium widgets and small widgets. So I used mostly like small widgets except one which is a medium widget like a calendar thing. So for example, let's click small widget. So this is the app which is called Color Widgets. So I will make sure to link this app in the description box below. So with this you can customize and add a lot of widgets like weather, clock, photo widget, calendar, battery, note, countdown, days counter and clock and a lot more. Okay, let's see how we can have a photo widget. Let's click on the photo widget and here in the bottom it says add photos. Click on that. When you click, you can see all the images that you have in your gallery. So these are the photos that I've downloaded and you can select whatever picture that you want. For example, I'm clicking my favorite actor. Now you just have to press on the add widget button and that's it. Small photo widget have been added to your home screen. It's very simple. So let me just add another photo widget as well. So this time I'm going to choose this picture, and as you guys can see, the eyes are missing. So some photos may appear like this. For this, what you have to do is that at the left hand side of the image at the bottom, you can see like the crop symbol. You just have to click on it and then you can crop the image in however way you want and then you can add it to your home screen. So now we added two photo widgets. Now you just have to long press the photo widget in order to move things around. You can move the widget to wherever place you want, like at the bottom, at the top, at the middle, wherever you want. So you can have the two widget at the side and you can have the apps related to category or something. So that's what I have did, as you guys can see, but you can do it differently and as per your liking as well. Okay, now let me share with you guys how you can add the calendar widget. Just long press on the home screen and click on the medium widget. You will see the same options. You can click on the calendar. You can change the background color and the text color. Everything you can customize it according to your own needs and preferences. So you can even change the font aspect. So that's it. This is the calendar widget. So likewise, you can add any other widgets that you want as well. By using these widgets, you can make your mobile aesthetic. You can do it for one page or you can do it like a multiple pages like me. So now let's see how you can make your mobile productive. First tip to make your mobile productive is to install phone apps usage tracker app, for which I will highly recommend this app called Your Hover. Or if your mobile has a default mobile apps usage tracking, you don't have to install this app, but if your mobile don't have, you can definitely check it out. It gave me a lot of insights about my relationship with my mobile. It will tell you in total how many hours you spend in a day using your mobile and also which apps you used the most. And also it will tell you if you're addicted or obsessed and everything. So it's kind of cool as well. At the same time, you can know which apps you're using the most. Tip number 2. From our first tip, you might know that what are the apps that you often use and spend your time on. Now you just have to uninstall your time sucker apps. Everything that wastes your time, just uninstall that app. Either be Netflix or YouTube or Instagram or whatever social media or anything in general that makes you like addicted, obsessed and wasting your time, just uninstall it because distractions will not help us to be productive. My next tip to make your mobile productive is to turn off your notification. Turn off all app notifications. Notifications are the biggest distraction. Just turn off everything. YouTube, Instagram, everything. So just turn off your notifications and it will definitely reduce the time that you're spending on your mobile. Notifications are like a trigger, okay? So if it comes, we just feel like we have to click and see what's that. just remove that trigger from your mobile in order to be more productive. My next tip is to keep motivational wallpaper for your home screen and lock screen so that you can be motivated and inspired. My next tip is to install more productivity related applications. Productivity apps will help us to be more productive when we really want to be productive. So just go to your Play Store and install some productivity apps for yourself. My next tip is to customize your home screen. Keep your home screen as per your liking and keep it simple. Don't dump all the applications in the main home screen page. Just have the apps that you will really necessary and frequently use. My next tip is to make use of widgets. Widgets are quite helpful if you want to be productive. You can make a lot of different widgets like calendar widgets in order to remind your deadlines and events, to-do list widgets or notepad widgets in order to remind your important notes, and to-do list widgets will really help you to see what are the things that you want to do on a particular day. Instead of clicking on the to-do list app and going inside the app to look what's the to-do list for the day, you can see it on the home screen itself. So widgets does help us to be productive, so make use of it. So these are the general productivity tips in order to make your mobile aesthetic and productive. If you guys want to know what are the productivity apps that I use and basically what is inside my mobile phone, you need to watch this video that is flashing on the screen right now, in which I made a video about what's in my phone. You can click and watch it to know what are the apps that I use and my favorite songs and everything. So that's it for today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.